Hello everyone, it's Tinksy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my dogs. Now, we're going to go ahead and get into it. So this is going to be a really quick video, I believe. And for the products, you can use whatever products you want. You don't have to use the ones that I'm using. We're just going to be using the ones that we have and the ones that we use to wash our dogs. But you can use any shampoo you want. You can use any ear lotion if you're using ear lotion. We're going to go ahead and get into the video.
Okay, so here's Diamond, and I'm going to be bathing her. Okay, so what you want to do is get your water hose right here, and you want to rinse the dog off like this.
Okay, now after rinsing her off a little bit, we can go ahead and start the bathing process.
Okay, so I'm using this. You don't have to use this. I'm just going to be using this because this is what we used. This is what we use to bathe our dogs. You don't have to use this. You can use any product you want, any brand. It doesn't matter. Just to make sure that it will clean the dog. Now that's pretty good. Now what we want to do, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray her very lightly with this water. Watch out. Come on, Daddy. Okay. So I'm just going to spray her very lightly with this water. Like that. And just so it can get wet and drip down her arms and legs. Scrub. And then I'm going to begin scrubbing her arms and legs. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse all the soap off of her body and back. Okay, and now that I'm done rinsing, we're just going to go ahead and do the face, and after that, I'm going to put some ear mite lotion in her ears to make sure that no insects get in her ears, and that they don't get affected. Okay, so I've got this, and I'm going to rub together and massage it into her face. Good girl. And make sure to get her ears as well. She's such a good girl.
And really, that's all it is to the bathing part. Okay, then after making sure that all the soap is rinsed off from her head, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my ear lotion here. You don't have to use this, it's optional. You don't have, if you are using something like this for their ears, you don't have to use this brand. It can be whatever you want. But if you are, I'm just gonna be putting some lotion in her ear, and it's ear mites for ear mites, and it's for dogs and cats with aloe vera on it. So, okay. So I'm just gonna show you, this is just how I do it. You don't have to do this. You can just bathe your dog, get it over with. But we just want to go the extra mile to make sure that nothing gets in their ears. It's okay, okay? And I know Diamond, she just hates it. It's gonna be okay. It doesn't hurt them. All you have to do is just slightly just stick it in the ear. You don't have to stick it in there. Just like put it at the rim of her ear. And make sure to not poke anything because she will flinch. And just, can you hold still? Can you hold still, Diamond? Okay. Alright, I've got a little in there. And maybe some more than that. I wasn't even touching you. She's so dramatic. She's a drama queen. Bro, I'm not even putting any in your ear. It's not even coming. What? Diamond! Seriously! Would you quit it? I wasn't even touching you that time. I wasn't even touching you with it. You... Bro. Why is this stuff not coming out? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She's not cooperating with me. Okay, well. Sometimes you have to hold her ear because this is getting very exhausting. Got it. Okay. Now, with the ear mite lotion in, just rub it in their ears. I also put some on their coat. You don't have to do this. I just like to put it on my coat and massage it in their coat. So, apparently this makes the dog's fur shine. I don't know. I don't know. Put some on her head. Not too much. Just a little small line. Massage it. Okay. And you're done. Alright, now I'm just going to let her dry. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Tinksy Gal signing out.